Hello, my dear students and parents. This is Mrs. Nirmal Milan Kasekar from Bharati Vidyapeeth Institute of Pharmacy. Welcome you all for this session on post-HSC pharmacy admission process and scope. After completing this particular discussion, you will definitely understand how to go for admission and what are the career opportunities in pharmacy profession. Your kids took admission to the science. They took first step towards pharmacy. Before going to the pharmacy admission process, I would like to explain you exactly what the scope of pharmacy is. After doing 12th, there are two ways you can go for post-HSC diploma or post-HSC degree. Once your kid take admission to the post-HSC diploma course and complete the course within 2 years, can become a community pharmacist, can go as a hospital pharmacist, wholesale dealer, can enter into pharma industry, can become an academics, production and marketing. After completing 4-year degree course, the child can enter in pharma industry, can enter in academics, go for higher education. Once the 12th examination result will declare, the admission process starts. DT is the authority which gives the admission. Online form filling starts post HS result declaration. You should select correct course. You want to go for diploma or degree. Before filling the form, you always should keep in your mind that every document which you are uploading should be in original. So like what documents are required? SSC and HSC mark sheet, leaving certificate, domicile, caste certificate and caste validity to be very precise. Non-creamy layer certificate specifically for OBC candidate, income certificate, linguistic minority if you belong to that certificate, person with disability, PWD certificate, ration card, updated Aadhaar card, passport size photo for Ward of Defense person, duly filled pro forma which is available on DTE site. Number 1, for Maharashtra state candidate should be Indian nation. To get admission in diploma, he or she should have cleared HSC examination with the subject specified there. For degree admission, a non-zero score in CET is needed. Physics chemistry is a compulsory subject along with mathematics and biology or both. For NRI and OCI, PIO children, the criteria are decided by government. Let me introduce you Bharati Vidyapeeth Institute and College of Pharmacy. We are the pioneer institute in Navi Mumbai, imparting quality education in pharma profession. Bharati Vidyapeeth, established by our Honorable Dr. Bidhana Kadam sir, and now we have a dynamic personality, our leader Vishwajit Kadam sir with us. The campus, Navi Mumbai campus, is handled by our director, Dr. Vilasrao Kadamji sir. This particular campus, pharmacy, is affiliated, approved by government agencies. Different courses which are offered in Navi Mumbai complex under pharmacy umbrella. We have 2 years diploma course, 4 years degree course. After completing diploma, student who get good marks get direct admission to the second year B pharmacy. M pharmacy is 2 years course. We impart education in pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacology, and quality assurance. We have well-established labs where our PhD students, they do research. Infrastructure-wise, we are very strong with a very huge seminar hall, display area, computer labs, instrument rooms. Along with the educational part, we also take care about co-curricular activity. We arrange industry expert interactions, personality development sessions for the students. Parent-teacher meet is one of the very important aspects wherein we all teachers interact with the students along with our director sir. For induction programs, we invite eminent personalities from pharma fraternity. At our campus, we also conduct poster presentation competitions, national level quiz competition. During this COVID lockdown, we had conducted so many seminars, webinars online. One of the example is First Aid webinar arranged in the collaboration with Navi Mumbai Doctors Foundation. Also, industrial visits are arranged for students for many industries like Cipla, Sandoz, Elder, and so on, Flamingo. Hospital visit and analytical lab visit, they are integral part of this course. Student life is not just study. They have different skills, different abilities. Spandan and P-Spandan activities are devoted for such talents of the students. For our B.Pharm course, M.Pharm course, as well as for the diploma course, the following are the fee structures. Which are revised from time to time. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can contact us on the following mail IDs. There are a few numbers which are displayed in this slides, will also help you out. Thank you so much for patient listening. We are always open for the discussion. You always can come down to college and meet our head of departments, our principals, our vice principals in person. You also can visit our laboratories to see the facilities provided to the students.